第6页，科普原地，一张纸最多能对折几次？
Folding paper. It's not for the weak. How many times can a single piece of paper be folded? You can try it yourself. Take a sheet of paper out of a notebook. Fold it in half. That's easy. If you fold it in half again, it's still easy. By the 5th or 6th fold, though, you will probably find that it becomes impossible to fold. In fact, there's a common belief that even the strongest person in the world can only fold a paper in half up to a maximum of 7 times. Several years ago, a student named Brittany Gallivan proved this assertion false. She folded a piece of paper in half 12 times. How did she do it? Well, she wrote a whole book to explain the math behind it. In simple language, her strategy was to use an extremely long 1.2 kilometers piece of thin toilet paper. Later, a TV show called Mythbusters, which aims to uncover the truth behind popular myths and beliefs, also took up the challenge. They started with a sheet of paper the size of a football field. However, even with the help of many people and a forklift, they only achieved 11 folds. Some years later, a group of students managed to achieve 13 folds by adopting Gallivan's method, but using an even longer piece of toilet paper. Why exactly is it so hard to fold a piece of paper more than 7 times? Well, each time the paper is folded, it gets twice as thick. 4 folds is 16 sheets thick, but 23 folds would be 1 kilometer thick, and 42 folds would reach to the moon.